Hello viewer, welcome to the YouTube channel FahadYounas. Today I will discuss the topic the sliding filament model, how muscles contract. Introduction to the sliding filament model. The sliding filament model explains how muscles contract. Actin and myosin filaments slide past each other, shortening the sarcomere. Anatomy of muscle cells. Muscle cells are also called muscle fibers and are made up of myofibrils. Myofibrils are made up of sarcomeres, the basic unit of muscle contraction. Sarcomeres contain thick and thin filaments that slide past each other to generate force. The role of proteins in muscle contraction. The sliding filament model explains how muscle contraction occurs. Actin and myosin are two proteins involved in muscle contraction. The binding of myosin to actin causes the muscles to contract. The sliding filament mechanism. Actin and myosin filaments slide past each other to create muscle contraction. Calcium ions bind to the troponin and tropomyosin complex, allowing myosin heads and actin to interest. ATP is required for myosin heads to release from actin and reset for the next contraction. Regulation of muscle contraction. The sliding filament model explains how muscle fibers generate force. Calcium ions trigger the binding of myosin and actin, causing contraction. Types of muscle contraction. There are three types of muscle contraction: concentric shortening, eccentric lengthening, and asymmetric without movement. Conclusion and further reading. The sliding filament model explains the mechanism of muscle contraction. For more information, check out these resources on muscle physiology. We appreciate your FahadYounas channel. We please consider sharing, liking, and subscribing to our channel.